innovative alternative that can be used to make stunning videos in 2025. Let's get started. We're starting with the first one, actually, not the best. The first one we're going to look at is the CapCut. Now, CapCut is a very popular mobile video editing app that is packed with features. It is perfect for creating short, engaging videos for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. We give it 8 out of 10 because an excellent choice for mobile video editing too, especially if you're looking for a free and feature-rich option. It has mobile design, it's also designed for mobile. It is rich with many features, it has trending effects, and you can join a vibrant community of creators. Before pricing, it is free, but there are some in-app purchases you can make, like additional effects and filters. So, the cons is that the interface can be a bit overwhelming at first and it's not as powerful as some desktop editors. The next on our list is Genmo or Genmo. This is Genmo. Genmo is like an AI-powered playground for video creation. It's perfect for experimenting and pushing your creative boundaries. You can turn your text into captivating animations and bring your ideas to life in seconds. We give it 8 out of 10 because it's a fantastic tool for those who want to unleash their creativity and experiment with AI-powered video generation. It is free, 100 daily fuel, and the turbo mode, if you want the paid version, you pay the turbo mode, which is $10 per month for 1,000 daily fuel. So as you can see for the price, then you have the free and the paid version. It is fun and creative tool. The art generates unique and interesting visuals, and the collaboration is seamless and you can access it from any device. But the con is that the free version has limitations and it can be a bit overwhelming at first. The next on our list is Runway. Unfortunately, Runway, for whatever reason, is not allowing us to access the website, so I will going to tell you about Runway. Runway is a powerful video editor that is packed with features but also surprisingly easy to use. It offers many tools for editing, color grading, and adding special effects. We give it a 9 because it's a top-notch video editor that combines power with ease of use. It is perfect for beginners and experienced editors. It's an all-in-one editor. It has everything you need to create professional-looking videos. It has AI-powered tools like generating subtitles, removing background noise, and even creating music for your videos. It also shares with others and you can get feedback also. It can also work on Mac, Windows, and Linux. So for the pricing, we have the free forever version with limited access to tools and features. Then we have the standard pricing for standard plan, which is $15 per month for 5 creators. We have the Pro plan, $35 per month for 10 creators, and Unlimited, which is $95 per month for 10 creators, and we have the Enterprise, which is custom pricing. The only con it has is that it can be a bit resource intensive, and the free version has limitations. The next on our list is Vignox. Now Vignox, if you're actually looking for an AI-powered video editor that can help you make professional-looking videos without any experience at all, Vignox is worth checking out. It offers many templates and tools that make it easy to make engaging videos in minutes. We give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a great option for beginners who want to create professional-looking videos without any experience. You can try it for free. It has AI-powered editing that helps to automate many of the tedious tasks involved in video editing. It has templates and tools, wide range of them for you to create your videos. You can turn your scripts and articles into videos with just a few clicks, and it is easily you can easily customize your videos with your branding and style. For the price, as you can see, I've been showing you the prices. It's for a 1 minute. You have free plan. There's a free plan where you get 1 minute of video per day, just the basic features. We have the starter plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. You can see it on the screen. So it's as simple as that. Now the con is that the AI isn't always perfect and the customization options are limited. Next on our list is Lumia AI, but for whatever reason also we cannot access the website too. But if you've ever wished you could tell your video editor what you want and finally create it, then Lumia AI is the best for you. Use the power of artificial intelligence to make video editing a breeze. It's like having a personal video editing assistant. We give it a 9 out of 10 because a game changer for video editing is not perfect but the closest thing to magic that we've found so far. So it has AI-powered magic that turns your text, prompts and images into high-quality videos. It is perfect for newbies and anyone who wants to save time. There's no hard learning curve, it is very easy. Just describe the video you want and Lumia AI does the heavy lifting for you. It can create everything from short social media clips to longer, more complex videos. It works on your computer, tablet or phone, whichever one you prefer. As for the pricing, it's free for 30 generations per month and basic editing features, but we also have the standard, the pro and the premium plans. And the standard plan you pay $29.99 per month for 30 plus 150 generations per month, and you pay $99.99 per month for 30 plus generations per month, and then premium you pay $499.99 per month. And the only con is that it can be a bit slow sometimes, and the free version has limitations as usual. Next on this is Wizard. Now Wizard, if you want to make your videos look like a pro created them, then Wizard is a secret weapon. It uses AI to automatically enhance your footage, making it look polished and professional. We give it a 8 actually out of 10 because it's a must-have tool for those who want to quickly and easily improve the look of their videos. It has AI-powered enhancement Wizard. Wizard automatically adjusts the color, the contrast, and the lighting to make your videos look their best. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is upload your footage and let Wizard do the magic. Then there's no need to spend hours tweaking settings. Wizard does everything for you, and it's very affordable because it offers a free plan and paid plans. Now, you have a free trial for 14 days to test out all the features, and the paid plans are the creator plan, which is $30 per month for 5 interactive videos. And we also have the pro plan, which is $60 per month. You pay $60 per month for unlimited interactive videos and advanced features. And the cons are that you will not have much control over the final result as a manual editor because it does everything for you. You can't tweak it yourself. Next on our list is Pictory. This is the last on the list, actually, number 7. So if you've ever struggled to turn your long form content into engaging videos, Pictory is the answer. Automatically convert your blog posts, your articles, and your scripts into videos with visuals, music, and voiceover. We give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a great tool for repurposing written content into videos, especially for those who don't have a lot of time or experience with video editing. The key benefits are text to video. So Pictory automatically turns your written content into videos. Customization, you can easily customize your video with different styles, visuals and music. Branding, you can add your logo and brand it to your videos and share it. You can easily share the videos on social media or embed them on your website. As for pricing, we have the free plan for 3 videos per month. Then you have the starter plan where you pay $29 per month, and professional plan you pay $59 per month, and teams plan you pay $149 per month. So the con is that the AI doesn't always choose the best visuals for you. These are simple as that. So those are the 7 best alternatives for Videoleap. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for